Daphne plants are known for their fragrance and beautiful blooms, but they can be quite finicky. They thrive in well-drained soil, partial shade, and need just the right amount of water. Too much or too little care, and they can start showing signs of distress. Many Daphne plant problems come from improper care. Let's go over some best practices to keep your plant thriving. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any Daphne plant questions you have. Let's build a community of gardeners who love sharing their knowledge. Happy gardening!